Today we're going to be putting an emphasis on the core and the hip flexors as we look more closely at the hip twist and the teaser exercises.
Usually the place to find that position, you circle your arm back, you're going to plant it in the spot that it should be right here. And now, we're going to keep that chest nice and open, draw the knees in. From here, we're just going to practice a little bit, letting the knees dip to the side with the bent leg and the other side. Dip off to the side and the other side. Good. Now from here, we're going to stretch it long and take hip circles. We're going to circle off to the side, around, down, and up. I'm going to need to breathe. Let's take one more each side. And back. Good. Lower those legs down and fold forward. Stretching out. Good. That is our hip circle. It becomes much easier when you come down to the forearms. It's quite challenging right there. We're going to play with a couple different exercises in that position. So we'll come right back out, circle the arms, fingertips pointed out and away. Draw the knees in. And from here, we're going to go into kind of a single leg stretch in this position. So we reach one leg out long, draw in. Reach out long, draw in. Exhale, reach. Inhale, pull in. One more, and then we're going to go into a double leg stretch here. Reach out, draw in. It takes a lot to stabilize and control those hips and the core while your legs are reaching around in circles, in the hip circles. So we're going to work on that extension away and drawing back in right here. 3 more, you got it? 3, and in. 2, and in. 1, and in. Okay, if you follow me at all on YouTube, social media, whatever, you know how I love a good teaser. I'm teasering all the time. Literally, the teaser is an exercise that comes out in my natural flow that I'm doing every single day. If I haven't been on the mat doing a full section, I'm doing teasers on the floor beside my bed before going to bed at night. I love the teaser. The teaser can be quite challenging to learn on the mat. There's things like the springboard and the different apparatuses that can help you build up into the teaser, but when you're just practicing on the mat, it can be really challenging to get there. We're going to start out with a teaser prep today. And you can always, when you're practicing and building up strength, you can always lift up into that teaser position and practice holding it and coming back down. This can be a great place to start. What we want is an open chest, not C-curved, but open, spread through, hands parallel to the legs, and we're reaching out. You can also come into what's a yoga boat by holding here with bent legs and practice reaching out and through and bending in. So a couple options that you can play with. We're going to go right into that teaser prep exercise right now. We'll start up here. So we're going to take the legs into that boat position. They're bent here on tabletop, and we're going to exhale as we roll down. Inhale to prepare, and then exhale, roll back up. So if you find that getting down in the first place, or the getting back up, peeling off the mat is just not happening, practice the negative motion of that, which is stabilizing here while you round through the spine and roll down. Inhale and exhale, lifting up. Inhale, exhale, peeling up. Now it feels like the roll up here, right? We tuck the chin to the chest, we roll up, and then we come into that straight spine at the top, whereas the roll up, we maintain the C curve of the spine. So that's what's happening here. So think about the roll up as you roll up into that teaser, spread through the chest, and then roll back down. Going one vertebrae at a time, stabilizing with control. Now if you like from here, we can take that on another step. As we lift up, reach the legs out, 45 degrees. Then tuck the knees in and roll back down. Exhale, lift up. Even when you have your full teaser. Remembering the teaser prep. You're working like crazy here. This is a great way to change up your teasers. And continue on here. Good, so that's lifting up into your full teaser position. Now let's go into a teaser 2. We're gonna lift up. If it's too much, go back to what you were practicing. We're gonna lower the heels a couple inches, lift them back up. Let's go for 4 more. 3, 2, I think I gave you an extra one. 1, bend the knees in, roll down. Let's do that again. Lift up, lower down. 2, 3, and 4. Draw the knees in, roll it down. Let's stretch the legs out long. Teaser 3, or a full teaser, where we fold up, arms and legs. You may find another option too. If you take your legs up to 90 degrees and then you roll up, you may find that a little bit easier right there. And come back down with the legs to 90 degrees. They give you a little bit of momentum. They offset that weight and help you get the top part up. Otherwise, bring it down. We're going to inhale to prepare. On the exhale, roll up, upper body and lower body at the same time. Inhale here at the top, and then exhale. Lower down with control. Take it nice and slow, and try to lower upper and lower body at the same time. So in other words, we don't want to plop one side and then the other comes down. That was a very good demonstration. Like plop here and then lower down there. We want it to fold up together and then unfold together. Inhale to prepare. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Coming back down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. A lot of times people see the teaser and think, gosh, I want to be able to lift into that. I really want to. I'm going to tell you right now, if you have the desire to do it, you must keep at it and keep practicing, and you will do it. Maybe not today or tomorrow, maybe next week. So if you have that desire to work on this exercise, then please practice variations, practice preparatory exercises, and get there. All of the hip circle stuff we're doing is helpful for the teaser as well. Go ahead and roll it down. Whew, and take a little rest. Turn the palms up towards the sky. Inhale through the nose, and exhale through the mouth. And be proud and pleased with wherever you are in your preparation. Feeling frustrated with yourself or your body is just something you don't have to do. You're sitting here doing this at home. You don't have any other person on any other mat to compare yourself to. Everything that you do on your own individual mat is an individual journey and practice. Fall in love with your practice, be accepting of where you are, and really embrace that. You don't have to be anywhere else today, but where you are.
If you would like to view this entire class and more full-length Mat Pilates classes with me, check out my links in the write-up down below for my Patreon account, where you can take full online classes with me here in the studio. Check out my channel for more Mat Pilates, Springboard Pilates, barre workouts, and much more, and I'll see you guys next time in the studio.